Yeah, hi, Dick here from Dick's Dirt Bikes and Camping. Yep, I thought we'd have a look today at the workshop, just see what's going on. As you can see, I probably got a bit carried away with these bikes. You know, as I said on the website, these bikes are cheap. You're almost doing some of the sellers a favour by taking them, and yeah, they don't take a lot to get going. Well, that's my experience anyway. Mainly because the guys that have mainly because the guys that are selling them, you know, they're over it. They don't have the skills required. It's simpler to go and buy another one than it is to repair some of this stuff. And I'm finding that's, you know, to someone that's got a workshop, that's not a lot of work. It really is not a lot of work. And you know, all the parts are available for these bikes. You know, it's really the time that you really want to spend on them. Yeah, I got other work commitments, and yeah, you know. So yeah, anyway, that's the workshop.